Perfect. Okay, Pinterest, let's go, honey. Well, you know what we can do? We can do origami like this. Alright. Okay, why is she falling? Why is she falling? Alright. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Sage Stage. I know what you're thinking from reading the title. You're thinking, what? Sage knows the forgotten art of origami? And the answer is, more or less, you know, it's not that hard. Some of the diagrams are hard to read though, for like how to do stuff, how to do the folds and everything, but that's why I'm here today. I'm gonna be walking you through some Easter origami. Yeah. And fun fact, this was gonna be St. Patrick's Day origami until I realized that tomorrow is April 1st. So, you know, Sage got her months in order. Sometimes. Occasionally. So, and you know what? This video was about to be canceled because I couldn't find any of my paper, but I found it. So don't worry. So we're going to start off today by making a cute little Easter basket, and I'm going to be tilting my head like this a lot because I am using Pinterest. I don't know this stuff off the top of my head. So, for when you're doing origami, I don't know if you're going to be doing this along with me or not, but you should try it out. It's super fun, and you feel really accomplished when you can actually do stuff. If you're doing this along with me, you need some kind of hard surface to be able to press edges onto, basically. So you can do this on your bed, but it's going to be super hard. So if you're sitting on your bed like me, get like some kind of box to do this on, and it'll make your life 10 times easier. Ah! And you almost died. Oh my god. Okay, you almost took a tumble there, but it's okay, we saved you. So, as I said, we're doing an Easter basket right now. So I want you to find some brown paper. Whoa, I have gold paper. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Let's make this rabbit. I just found the cutest rabbit and we're making it. We are throwing away this brown piece of paper that didn't work and we're getting a pink one. And you'll also need some markers for this, by the way. So it looks like we need, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of pink paper. And it's completely okay if you don't have pink paper. You can actually still do origami with like regular paper. You just have to make it a square. And like origami, people use specifically origami paper to do origami because it's thinner and easier to make a lot more folds with. Because sometimes just regular paper can be way too thick to do anything with. Okay, so we're going to start with the head of the bunny. We're going to start with our triangle as always. We're going to make a fold right across the middle here. So take your 2 corners, line them up. Place that carefully back down. Take your finger, put it in the middle. And then bring that out. Bring that out. We are going to fold it the other way as well. Okay. So, go back to your original fold here, and hold your paper this way. Now, we're going to take one corner of the paper and fold it up like this, and bring it to the middle, a little higher. A little higher than the middle. And then, we're going to take our other blank white one here and put it behind so that it's invisible. Okay, so now we have this. Now we're going to take these edges and fold them back like this. And you still want an angle here. You want a good angle. So maybe like about that much. But you also want to fold this out of sight. You might have some stuff left over here, and just get that out of the way. And then do the same for the other side. Now you're going to take this little thing and fold it down just a little bit. It's going to be the nose. Down just like that. Little nose for you. And now that's the head. So we're going to put that to the side, and we're going to be making the ears next. Take another sheet of paper and fold it in half, but the opposite way now. Okay, so now take one piece of your paper and bring it all the way up, and then fold that down. And then do it the same way on the other side and just bring it back like that. Now, the last step to the ears is we're gonna stray a little bit from what they're telling me. Basically, what I want you to do is, you have this right now. What I want you to do is fold this out this way, but only fold one, like, edge here. Like, don't fold it all the way back. Kind of just go for that, okay? You see what I mean? So I'll do it again on the other side. So you're gonna fold it, bring this line up to the middle line here. And now you're going to press down on this area in there. And you're going to try to get these to be like little cups. What you can do is you can tape the back here just a little bit like this, because these are going to be the ears. And that'll make it like stand up more too. And you're going to use tape to tape these pieces together too. So set that aside. Get another piece of pink paper. And we're going to be working on his little body. Fold your paper in the middle. Fold your paper both ways. We're going to do it both ways again. Now you have an upright triangle like so. And now you're going to take two pieces and fold them in. Fold them like up, kind of. So you're going to take it and fold it up this way. Okay? Just like that. And then you're going to do the same with the other side. So take it and fold it up. And now you're going to take a little tiny triangle and push it back and then fold it down like that. See what I mean? And you want the triangle to kind of be aiming towards the center of your work. So let me do it on the other side and kind of get up close. You're going to fold it back a little bit and then fold it down like that. Not the prettiest thing in the world, but it's functional. The last step, basically, is to get a marker. I'm using a whiteboard marker. If you have any marker available, just get it. Then you're going to make two little eyes on your bunny face. And the way they position their eyes is like around here and around here. Try to get, like, go off this line here and then put your eye right over there. Make it nice and big, and then do the same to the other side. So, okay. Try to make the eyes about the same circle size. Okay. And then give your bunny a nice smile. Okay. Okay. And now we're going to put it all together. And we're going to show you the finished product. Okay, so now we got our head on our body. That looks so weird. Why does that look like that? Did I miss a step? Like, I feel like this body shouldn't be this big. But you know what? We're not fat shaming on this channel. Oh, you know what? I probably should have, for future reference, maybe make these triangles come a little bit more inward to go for a narrower bunny. But it's all whatever kind of bunny you prefer. Alright, so, you know, it works. It's not horrible. I think I like it. It's pretty cute. Aw, okay, he looks pretty cute. Okay, that looks good, right? Just put him on our board here. Okay, next one. Okay, next on the list is we're making origami peeps. So, get out some yellow paper. Preferably peep colored. Well, you know what, you can get a pink out there too. Maybe a pink, a blue, and a yellow. So let's start with the normal peep color. Let's get to folding. So, do your, you know, the base folding. Okay, you got this. Oh, and then you're gonna fold it the other way, like always. So it doesn't actually show how they got to this step, so I'm gonna kind of guesstimate here. So I think what they did was, they took a piece of paper, they took a corner, they took a piece of paper, they took a corner, I hope you can see this, they took a corner and brought it to the middle line like that. Then do the same on the other side. And then you're gonna bring this middle one all the way up to the top here. And then you're actually gonna fold down this one here, behind here, so that you've got about this much peeking out. Like so. And then you're gonna fold this way, and then, oh wait, what? Wait, maybe it's the other way? Okay, I don't know where I last left you, but I think you have to fold this up this way, and then bring this out like this. And then you're gonna take this guy and fold it down like this, because this is actually going to be a beak. So you're going to fold it down like that, and then you're going to kind of flatten this out, kind of fold this down in the middle like this, and do that to the other side as well, because you want him to have kind of a flatter tum. And then you're going to bring down this, because this is a little arm. He looks like a little banana. That's so cute. But for the next one, we're probably going to invert the colors in a better way. Oh my god, he looks like a tiny little banana. And then, yeah, next time we're going to invert the colors. Then you're going to go ahead and take your marker again, and you're going to give him a little eye. Boop. And you have a little peep. And look at that one. I like him. He's much cuter, I think. Right? Those guys are so cute. I love them. I love them. They do kind of look like penguins. So thank you guys for watching. I did run out of memory space just now. I hope you enjoyed, and have a great day, and come back to the Sage Stage tomorrow. Thanks for watching.